Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a Facebook cover on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and then slide to the right side of the screen at the top and tap on social media. Then scroll down till you find the Facebook cover section, and in order to check out all of the available templates, tap on the See All button in the right side of the screen next to the Facebook covers title. After that, you're going to see all of the available templates, so tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose. After that, once it is loaded in, you should zoom in, tap on the text, tap on the button Edit down below, delete the text, and then type in your own text. So start customizing it. You can change the font. The font size can be set to by the help of this slide, as well as the font size and the color, the format. You can make your text bold, italicize, underline. You can adjust letter and line spacing. You can add animation to it. You can check them out how they look like, and once you have selected and decide that you want to apply one of these animations, you can also adjust it by double tapping on it. And if you want to, you can also add elements to it. If you tap on this plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, you can add graphics, stickers, photos, videos. You can choose pictures from your camera roll, and basically that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.